Hey guys, Jake from Full Access UTV. Got some exciting news. Not really. Houston, we got a problem. We had a customer contact us about the seat recline kit, real simple thing. He said our bolts were just falling through and kind of thought, he's crazy, never heard of that. So on and so forth. Then we got a car in here yesterday. We're doing a ton of work to it. And lo and behold, his seat bolts are different sizes. So our recline kits aren't working, our flip forward kits aren't working, and nothing else we make is gonna work. So we're gonna have to come up with 6 new part numbers. Here's the issue. This is a 2021 KRX. We have 2 other 2021 KRXs here. They all have different size bolts holding in the seats. So at some point they made a rolling change to go to 10mm bolts. And what I'm talking about is this. This is the original bolts that held in the seats and the new bolt that holds in the seats. So one's 8, one's 10. This is a huge problem for us. Changes a lot of things. Every kit we've packed is pretty much wrong. So you may have gotten a wrong kit from us and we need to know. So reach out to me and hit us up at the shop. Call the phone number, send an email, and we'll try to take care of you on that. But as far as us finding out where this change happened, we've called Kawasaki and called Kawasaki and called Kawasaki. So I got one more rep trying to deal with it and see what he can come up with. But at this point, they don't have a production date change. If you look at any of the VIN numbers and any of the parts diagrams right now for any KRX, whether it be a Trail Edition or an ES, they show the same part number. They're showing it as an 8mm, and even the frame is an 8mm, but even the seat holes are different. So everything's got to have different part numbers. They don't have a date. We're trying to find that out. So that leads me to today. I'm going to ask you guys. The car that we have right here was built in 5/21. There's got to be a production date change date that we can tell customers, hey, if it was built on or before this date, you get the 8mm. If it was built after this date, you get the 10mm kit. So what I'm going to ask you is this. If you come into your car on either driver or passenger side, you're looking for the bolts to hold down the seat. So they're here and here. And these are the larger ones. These are 10. It's real simple. One has a 14mm socket or a 12. If you guys don't mind, put in the comments which one you have, and I'm going to ask you for your production date. Production date is located on the back behind the driver's seat. It's actually right here. You'll see this one was produced in 5/21. So please post up your production date and this, and it'd be greatly appreciated. Like I said, we're not getting a straight answer out of Kawasaki, and we'd really like to know, other than asking people before they order to put a socket on it. So please let us know. Again, this is probably not a like and subscribe kind of thing, but hey, it is what it is. Click that button if you like our content, and we really appreciate what you're watching, and we'll get this all fixed. Thank you.